Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through how to open a live trading account on eToro. It's a very simple process, but you need to do it correctly so your account gets fully verified and ready for trading. First, head over to the official eToro website and click on Join Now in the top right corner. This will open the registration form. You can choose to sign up using Facebook or Google, but here we'll go with the regular email method. Just enter your username, email, password, and move to the next step before creating your account. Make sure you read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy so you understand how the platform works. Once everything looks good, click on Create Account. After submitting your details, eToro will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your inbox, find the message from eToro, and click on Verify My Email. This will redirect you to your client area, where you can start setting up the rest of your profile. The next step is completing your KYC verification. This step is required so eToro can confirm your identity and protect the platform from illegal or fraudulent activity. In your client area, click on the Verify button. You'll then be asked to enter some personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and a few basic details about your experience with trading. Just fill out everything honestly and continue. After this, you'll need to upload documents to prove your identity and your residence. For identity, you can use your passport, your national ID card, or any approved document with your name and photo. For proof of address, you can use a utility bill, bank statement, or anything that clearly shows your name and home address. Upload the files and submit them for review. Once everything is uploaded, all you need to do is wait. eToro usually completes verification within 2 or 3 working days. When your account shows a checkmark and says verified, you're all set. You can now deposit funds, start exploring markets, and begin trading with your live account. And that wraps up this part of the guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials coming your way.